In the traditional recipe for spaghetti carbonara by Brogus Flex Coffee in 1903, you can easily go up to 100 grams of protein in one plate. You can start by making chicken stock by boiling the carcass of the chicken you ate yesterday. You can then reduce it until you have approximately 1 liter. 1 liter is more than enough to cook 250 grams of raw pasta. Then you twist the pasta like this to prevent sticking before dropping it into the water. You will then have a nice flower shape. You can help it drown it a little bit by shaking. Make sure it is completely submerged. Add 1 mega pinch of salt. You need to salt the water enough for the inside of the pasta to get salted. Then you can make sure to unstick it from the bottom like this because they will not stick together but they might stick to the bottom of the pan. Then you use 6 whole eggs with the white because we do not waste protein in this house. About 1 megaton of freshly hand grated Parmigiano Reggiano and as much black pepper as your financial situation allows. Mix it very homogeneously to make sure you don't have big lumps of Parmigiano. Once 80% of the water has evaporated, you will have thicker bubbles like this and the water will start to become shiny because of the gluten of the pasta. This is what will give you perfect sauce consistency. You don't fucking throw it away in the sink like a retard. Then get off the heat and mix your pasta like this to cool it down. All the steam going out is literally heat getting out of the dish. Mix it for a good 30 seconds so that when you drop the eggs inside, you will not overcook them. Check this out. There is basically already sauce texture and it is shiny like my bright future. This is all due to the gluten from the pasta itself. All the Matrix chefs throw this away in the sink. They tell you 1 ladle of water is enough. Complete bullshit. Insert the eggs and mix it very homogeneously without slowing down to make sure it doesn't overcook on one spot. If you find that your eggs are still too runny, you can come on and off the heat to bring the temperature up again until it's not watery but more thick like a sauce. Make sure you mix constantly and you get out of the heat just before you reach the right consistency because the heat on the metallic pot will keep accumulating in the pasta. Once you are done, you can stop the cooking by cooling it down by mixing it like this. First of all, it's very sexy, but it will allow you to get all the steam out to reduce the temperature. Make a nice roll against the side of the pot. Serve yourself a decent plate, but do not forget to make an Instagrammable picture before with some extra pepper to pretend that you know what you're doing. Check this out. Once you have made your viral money shot, you can add it to your serious plate because those muscles will not grow themselves. Make sure to put all the sauce from the pan because that's where all the fucking protein is. You have to scrape it 100%. Do not waste any of this fucking gold protein. It should be cleaner than your search history. Check this out. The thick sauce of the pasta. There is so much you can drink it with the straw. You might have noticed there is no pork in this pasta because this recipe is designed to be made in under 15 minutes and to be cheap as fuck. So you have no excuse to grow muscles for once in your life. Find 65 more healthy as fuck recipes in my cookbook.